When I started to work as the Ielts director, I had an international student who were from Bangladesh and really struggling to improve his Ielts writing score from 6.5 to band 7. He attended classes in Bangladesh, but still unsuccessful to get his desired marks every time he sat for the exam. That is why he thought that it was probably a good idea to stop attending classes and start to study on his own. So with this student from Bangladesh, he sat the exam after a few months practicing with other students and actually scored band 6, which was 0.5 lesser than his previous mark. He was feeling down and frustrated. In fact, he was having a second thought about doing his master's in the UK because he sat the exam numerous of times and yet still unsuccessful. And one day, he posted one of his essays on Facebook asking for some guidance and feedback. I was one of the IELTS teachers in that group. I gave him my assessment and my forward advice so he could improve his IELTS score from at band 6 to band 7. And that is why he decided that I would coach and mentor him for the first time online. I've set up a realistic goal and study plan for him where we met 3 times a week for 3 months. And I gave him our detailed study guide, which was based on his level up to the level he wanted to achieve. Apart from the individual lessons that I gave him, I also gave him detailed writing corrections, ensuring that he would not repeat the same mistakes again. Now, during our session, I found out the reason why he was not improving his IELTS writing score was because he was enrolled in a group class where there were 20 other students in a room. He said he did not really understand the lessons clearly and the writing feedback were not as detailed as it should be. So he didn't know which area or areas he needs to work on. After knowing that as his IELTS trainer, I am very pleased that we have worked on his weak areas and managed to get band 7, and he's now in the UK doing his master's. However, I'm still bothered why he kept repeating the exam time and again and paid a lot of money and wasted too much time for it. And you know what? There's still thousands of candidates who are doing exactly the same worldwide. I know that they need a genuine help so they too can achieve their dreams abroad. That is why I'm very passionate and resolute helping countless of students worldwide so they can achieve their marks. As a founder of iEngtests, we are constantly improving our learning platforms and our standard of teaching. We aim to provide better and improved student learning experience with us, as we understand that we can only continue being successful if we continue producing success exam stories as well. That is why we put it as our tagline, that your success is our success. My name is Roland. I'm the founder of iEngtests.